What are the duties and responsibilities of a rigger? 1. Equipment setup, inspecting, setting up, and dismantling rigging equipment such as pulleys, winches, ropes, and chains, selecting the appropriate rigging gear for the task based on weight, size, and shape of the objects to be moved. 2. Load calculations, calculating the weight and dimensions of the objects to be moved, ensuring that the rigging equipment can safely handle the load. 3. Safety compliance, conducting safety checks and inspections of all rigging equipment before use, adhering to safety protocols and guidelines to prevent accidents and injuries, wearing appropriate personal protective equipment, PPE, and ensuring team members do the same. 4. Signal communication, communicating effectively with crane operators and other team members using standard hand signals or radio communication to guide the movement of loads. 5. Load management, securing loads to lifting devices such as cranes, forklifts, or hoists, monitoring and adjusting rigging during lifts to maintain stability and balance. 6. Maintenance, performing regular maintenance on rigging equipment to ensure it remains in safe working condition, repairing or replacing damaged or worn rigging gear. 7. Planning and coordination, collaborating with engineers, supervisors, and other workers to plan and execute lifting operations, reading and interpreting blueprints, schematics, and lift plans to determine rigging requirements. 8. Problem solving, identifying and resolving any issues that arise during lifting operations, such as unexpected obstacles or equipment malfunctions. 9. Training and monitoring, providing training and guidance to less experienced riggers or apprentices. Staying updated on industry best practices and new rigging technologies. 10. Documentation, keeping accurate records of lifting operations, inspections, and equipment maintenance. 11. Risk assessment, conducting thorough risk assessments before commencing any rigging activity, identifying potential hazards, and implementing measures to mitigate risks. 12. Load securing, using slings, shackles, and other securing devices to attach loads securely, ensuring the load is balanced and stable before lifting. 13. Environmental considerations, accounting for environmental factors such as wind, rain, and temperature that may affect rigging operations, implementing measures to mitigate the impact of these factors. 14. Regulatory compliance, ensuring all rigging activities comply with local, state, and federal regulations, keeping up to date with changes in regulations and standards related to rigging and lifting operations. 15. Crew management, supervising a team of riggers and coordinating their activities to ensure efficient and safe operations, assigning tasks and responsibilities to team members based on their skills and experience. 16. Incident reporting, reporting any incidents, accidents, or near misses to the appropriate authorities, participating in incident investigations, and contributing to the development of corrective actions. 17. Job site preparation, preparing the job site for rigging operations, including clearing obstacles and setting up barriers to create a safe working environment, ensuring the job site is clean and organized to minimize risks. 18. Emergency response, being prepared to respond to emergencies and providing immediate assistance in case of equipment failure or accidents, participating in emergency drills and training to improve readiness. 19. Continuous improvement, seeking opportunities for continuous improvement in rigging practices and procedures, providing feedback and suggestions to improve safety, efficiency, and effectiveness of rigging operations. 20. Documentation and reporting, maintaining detailed records of all rigging activities, including load calculations, equipment inspections, and incident reports, preparing and submitting reports to management as required. 21. Professional development, continuously improving skills and knowledge through training, certifications, and professional development opportunities. Staying informed about the latest industry trends, technologies, and best practices in rigging and lifting operations. 22. Tool and equipment management, keeping an inventory of rigging tools and equipment, ensuring that all tools and equipment are in good working condition and available when needed. 23. Material handling, handling various materials, including steel beams, concrete panels, machinery, and other large objects, ensuring proper handling techniques to avoid damage to materials and equipment.